If you guys are having a oily skin and because of this hot weather your pores are opening up, then keep watching this video because I am going to show you a way to take care of that. That is the reason why I have bought something from Amazon. Let's unbox this and check it out. So come close and we'll do the unboxing. So here is the packing, guys, in which this facial roller came in. It's a very pathetic packing from Amazon, guys. Very unprofessional, but let's open it and let's check out the contents inside. So as you guys can see, there are two things inside. Let's take them out one by one and let's check out what is inside. So here comes my facial ice roller. I'm going to show you exactly how to use this thing, so keep watching the video. So let's see what else is there inside of the box. And here is the watermelon ice roller mixer. So I will show you how to use this thing as well. Let's see what's more is there inside of the box. And as you guys can see, they have a coupon here, claim 100 rupees as cashback. What these guys will do is they will ask for a review, and if you give a good review they will give you 100 rupees. I don't trust these guys, so let's throw it out. Now as you guys can see on the box, it is written free, but this is not free, guys. They have charged for it. I have paid 465 rupees for this product, so this is going to be a honest review, guys. Nobody has paid me to test this product out. So come on, let's take out the product and let's see how it is. So as you guys can see, the product don't look that clean to me. Obviously I will have to wash it, but it is made of silicone. It will give you that nice rubberish finish. As you guys can see, there is dust on the product. Now how to pour water in this? Anyways, let's close it and let's check it out. Let's wash it first. Oh, there is an opening here, so you'll have to open this thing right here and you'll have to pour the water. Now let's check out the watermelon ice roller mixer. Let's open it up first and let's see what is inside. And as you guys can see, there is some aloe vera extracts, some watermelon extracts I can see inside. I don't know what exactly those things are, but let's put the cover back. And you don't need to open the cover like this. You'll have to only rotate this and it will open up. So this is 60 ml. Now let's get our box and let's read some instructions. I hope the instructions are there because you know the packing of this box is absolutely disgusting. So here are the instructions, guys. Put 5 ml of watermelon mixer into the ice cup and then fill the rest of it with water. Then shake well and freeze the ice roller for at least 5 hours. So we'll do right that. Then the next thing is, after opening the lid, wash the ice roller for around 3 to 4 minutes and then start to apply the ice roller on the face. So that is for later. Before that, let's go to the wash basin and let's wash this ice roller first. So here is my wash basin. Before I start to use this ice roller, I will wash this ice roller thoroughly. I will use my hand wash soap and I will scrub it from inside and outside and all the sides. So see that you clean it properly, because when it came it was kind of dirty, so I don't want to take any risk. So before you start to use this ice roller, guys, see that you wash it thoroughly. So here I'm done washing my ice roller. So the next thing that I will do is, let's start to fill this ice roller up because I can't wait to use it, guys. So the first thing that we'll have to do is just open up the ice roller, and first we'll fill it up with 5 ml of this watermelon extract or whatever you call it. So before you pour it into the ice roller, see that you shake it well, and once you shake it well, just twist the nozzle and start pouring this mixture into your ice roller. So when you press the bottle, the mixture starts to flow out, and like this somehow you will have to make 5 ml of mixture pour out. Now what I have poured here is not 5 ml, guys, it's very less, but I will not pour exact 5 ml because I want to try this out first, and if nothing happens then I will use 5 ml of this mixture. So once you are done pouring 5 ml of this mixture, get drinking water and pour into the ice roller like this. Once you reach till here, just put back the ice roller cover and open the top lid like this and fill it up till the brim with drinking water like this. Once you top it up, put the lid back and then shake it a little bit. Take a tissue paper and wipe the excess water which is there outside. Once you wipe it, put it in the fridge and leave it there for around 4 to 5 hours. So here my 4 to 5 hours are up, guys. So I am excited to use this thing. If you guys have ever tried this, then do let me know in the comment section below. Now check out the pores on my forehead, guys. Check out the pores on my cheeks, on both the sides. And after we use the ice roller, we'll check the before and after. So I will take out the ice roller from the fridge now, and once I take it out, I will try to open it, and as you guys can see, it is not opening up that easily. So I will wash it from outside a little bit and then I will try to open it here. So now again I will try to open it, guys, and as you guys can see, it is opening up, and there you go, guys, there you go. This is the nice shape that I was looking for. So before I start to roll it on my face, As per the instructions, they told us to wet it for 3 to 4 minutes. But I will not wet it for so long. I will only wet it a little bit and I will start to use it. So as you guys can see the pose on my face, and here I have started to apply the ice roller on my face. And as I was using it, I could already feel the pose closing, guys. And see that you keep a handy towel in your other hand so that you can dab your face and dry it. So apply the ice roller on your puffy eyes, on your open pose, or you can even apply it on your entire face. You can now hold the ice for a long time in your hands, guys, because it has that silicone protection. The reason why I ordered this ice roller is I was applying ice on my face and I could not hold the ice in my hand for too long. So I was searching for something that would allow me to hold the ice in my hand for a long time. And finally I came across this product and it really works, guys. You can see the pose on my face already improving. And while I'm using this, guys, I can smell a nice fragrance of watermelon. So the watermelon extract does work, guys. Now if you want to buy this ice roller, then I will put a link of it in the description below. You can go there and check it out. If you buy this product from my link, then I will get a small percentage on it. Now you can also buy this ice roller for a lesser price, but it doesn't come with the watermelon extract. And I wanted to try the watermelon mixture. That is the reason why I ordered this slightly costlier ice roller. If you want, you can buy this one, or you can even go for the cheaper option. So look at my forehead now, guys, and look at my cheeks, and I hope you guys can see the difference. So let's see the before and after. And as you guys can see the before and after and how much difference it makes.
So guys, if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson Fernandes signing out. Until we meet again.